Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to wish everybody a happy new year and highlight a couple citrus that I picked today in my yard. These are two that I do protect as needed. I won't protect them tonight. It's supposed to drop to about 28 degrees, but the duration of the freeze will be very short, so I didn't really see the need to protect them. But on the left is the Amoa 8, ruby clementine or blood clementine, and on the right is Tango, which is an irradiated Murcott, make it seedless. So thought I would start with the Amoa 8. Now at Thanksgiving, or maybe a little before Thanksgiving, it was showing some color, and I really wondered, if it needed a long time to develop full color. But I would say, at least here where I live, middle of December, certainly by Christmas, it's got full color. So let's take a look at it. I've already cut it in half, and you can take a look at it. And it is, ruby red. It really isn't a good enough description. It's deep, deep red. It is like blood. I cut two in half, and I juiced one of them just to show what they look like. And so they're not terribly juicy, but it did make a little bit of juice. This is one, and as you can see, it looks like blood. It really does. And unlike true blood oranges, which are kind of a berry overtone, these are very sweet. They do taste a lot like a clementine with some difference. It's hard to put my finger on what it is, but we really enjoy them. And Tango, as I said, is an irradiated Murcott, and Murcott is an old variety that very delicious. It's kind of a mid-season Tangor. Most people would classify it as a tangerine or a mandarin. And the big drawback to Murcott was it was seedy. So this is irradiated to make it seedless, and as you can see, at least in this case, it really is. So there you have it, two excellent citrus that are worth all the trouble that I sometimes have to give them. It's really not that much trouble to cover them and protect them as I need to. And probably the biggest trouble I'm going to have is keeping them small enough to do that. So on a cold night with some wind blowing, it's nice to have fresh citrus, and I hope you have a wonderful and happy new year. And warm regards to everyone out there. Thanks again.